By popular demand, we're shooting a video about how to use a grade laser. Check it out. There's multiple kinds of grade lasers. I can't say I'm a grade laser expert. I'm just going to show you how I use mine because this is what I know. So mine is a Spectra, like I said, LL300S before. It's self-leveling. First thing you do, you turn it on. You'll see it start to level up. It levels itself within reason. If it's on a super wicked slope, you have to get close, but it'll level itself up within, once it calibrates, it'll start spinning. Now you know it's spinning. All you do now is find your bench point. So let's just say, for instance, this sidewalk here. This old sunken sidewalk. This is our benchmark we're going off of. Come up to your laser. You can tell it's got some. This is your. This would be the receiver. Power it up. Let it calibrate. It's actually surprisingly right. So what that means, I'll make it quieter. So this right there means it's 2 inches lower than what that is right now. So the blue means low, green means good, red means high. So you loosen it up, and to go down, you go up. So right now we're 2 inches lower, so we want to go up because we want to get level. So almost there, almost see, perfect. Within green, and you see this little level right here. Always make sure you get your level pretty close when you're tightening it up. So now let's just say this is your benchmark. Yeah, so hear that low beep? With solid tones like that, that means you're dead level. And then when you go higher, you raise it up higher. Red means high, green's good. Blue means low. Slow beeps mean you're low. Solid tone means you're dead nuts. Red means you're high. So a lot of times, you know, I'll have it on wicked high. So that way, if Colby's running a grade laser or anyone else is running a grade laser, I'll actually leave it up loud so I can hear it. And, you know, very rarely do you have to be, if you're doing rough grading, you don't want to be dead perfect. So it's super, super simple. This thing has it telescopics up and down. You know, that's how you move it. And then you'll see all these Sharpie marks. These Sharpie marks, I have so many places I've benchmarked. And whenever you do read one of these, so say you're on a job site, you're going to be there the next day, but you want to take your laser with you. What I do is I'll actually go up like where my feet are. I'll spray paint circles around that. So I know the next day I go right back. I set my laser exactly where it was. And I know how to get my benchmark back. And a lot of times too, I'll even like set a stake up or a concrete stake or a wood stake and like make a line. And this is finished grade. So go put your laser in the right place, go get your benchmark established, set it, then you have a consistent point to work off of. On like big job sites, or if you're working off engineered plans, you'll have an engineer actually lay a GPS mark out and you'll go off of their benchmark. So you'll have a consistent work off every day. Just remember, when you get to the job site, go shoot off that one point. And you know what you're doing. You go up, go down, whatever you got to do. Pretty self-explanatory, guys. Once you get the level dialed, you can do what you want. We're on a normal job site, I just said, but I want to make this video today. I feel like getting this out quicker than later is better because it's off-season, it's money season in the Midwest, and a lot of you guys are in this area. So if I could film this video quick, get out there, up to you. You can learn from it, you can take it, you can apply it to your 2026 spring season, hit the ground running. So the more you learn, the more you know, knowledge is power. So hit the ground running. Dig straight, dig smooth, have confidence. If you have questions, feel free to ask. God first, famous second, work third, more dirt. Let's go.